Hi everybody, welcome back to Cruise Travel Life, and today I'm coming to you with my top tips for Oasis of the Seas. I have 9 of my top tips. They're in no particular order at all. I just came up with some tips and thought I would share them with you to make your Oasis of the Seas vacation go amazing. Alrighty, let's jump in. My first tip is to book your show reservations ahead of time. Typically, they show about 30 days in advance on Royal Caribbean's cruise planner website. This is your first cruise. Make sure you create an account, link your cruise, and then you should see the options to plan your cruise. Cruise planners where you can book your drink packages, dining reservations, shore excursions, but there should also be an entertainment option. And about 30 days out, the shows will pop up there, and you can book one showing of each show. And if you don't book your show reservations ahead of time, there's always a standby line. They let the standby line in about 10 minutes before showtime. There's no guarantee, but it's a pretty safe bet. My next tip is specifically for Oasis class. Is Johnny Rockets is free for breakfast. A lot of people don't know this because Johnny Rockets is a specialty restaurant at lunch and dinner, but it is free for breakfast. So make sure you use that. A lot of people do not know that tip. So make sure you remember that Johnny Rockets is free for breakfast. It pops up in the app at the times you vary, so make sure you check the app and your cruise compass for more. My next tip is to ride the water slides on port days. Maybe you have a later excursion. Your excursion is short and you're back before most people are done with their port day. Ride the water slides on board. That's an amazing hack because there's typically no lines. Or even right before dinner is a good time too for people that have early seating or middle of early seating. It's a great time to ride the water slides with no line. My next tip is to book a Central Park balcony. A lot of people think you have to book an ocean view balcony to get the best resource out of your balcony, but you can look at the ocean on deck 5 or up on deck 15. So book a Central Park balcony. You get a different perspective. It's quiet. Unlike the boardwalk balconies, you can get a great view of the neighborhood because you're overlooking. There's piano tunes in there most nights. We had acoustic guitar in there one night. So it is a great tip for you to make sure that you can have an amazing stateroom location because you can look at the ocean in other places, but you can't look at Central Park in a lot of places. Another top tip that I have is don't forget about Park Cafe. Park Cafe is located in Central Park on deck 8 midship. They have the roast beef sandwich, a salad bar, so many options. It's a great place for breakfast. They have a coffee bar. They serve the same coffees as Cafe Promenade, but with a lot shorter line. It can take a little longer because they usually only have 1 or 2 people working, but it is a great hack. Do not forget about Park Cafe. It's a great option for breakfast and lunch. They usually close about 6 o'clock, so maybe if you have a later dining time or a late specialty reservation, you can have a late snack there. My next tip is to eat El Loco Fresh at off-peak times. A lot of people go to El Loco Fresh on sea days, right around lunchtime, 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock. But go at like 2 or 3 o'clock, have a taco as a snack to hold you over before dinner. If you have late dining, eat a later lunch or eat 2 lunches. I'm not judging. It's a great way to still get that El Loco Fresh. Maybe do it 2 or 3 times along your week-long cruise, and you'll be able to try everything El Loco Fresh has to offer. El Loco Fresh offers burritos, tacos, nachos, quesadillas, an amazing hack. And a bonus hack is that they're open for breakfast. They serve Mexican burritos with eggs and just cheese and just basic stuff, and it's a hidden gem. Not a lot of people know that El Loco Fresh serves breakfast. Check it because it changes, and not all ships have it. My next tip is one I've actually never heard before, but use the Ultimate Abyss as a mode of transportation. If you're up on the pool deck or deck 16 back with the zipline and flow rider, and you want to get down to the boardwalk and you have nothing. You have your phone, your ShePass, that kind of thing. Take the Ultimate Abyss. You're down there much quicker than it is to wait on an elevator. Go down 10 decks. Most likely wait on a bunch of people. So use it as a mode of transportation. It doesn't work in some cases if you have stuff that you're carrying. You can't take that kind of stuff down the Ultimate Abyss. But if it's just you and it's just like your phone and it all fits in your pockets, use it as a mode of transportation. It's a great hack to get there quick. My next tip is to eat in Solarium Bistro. Not a lot of people know about that, but Solarium Bistro is a free complimentary option that's open for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Breakfast and lunch, it's a buffet. I actually didn't eat dinner in there on my Oasis of the Seas cruise, but there is a dinner option. It's a sit-down option where it's a Mediterranean-style cuisine, but for breakfast and lunch, it's a mini windjammer. You get the same options, buffet style. It can get crowded towards the end of the cruise once people figure out about it, but towards the beginning of the cruise, it's a great hack. And last but not least, those of you with the drink package, Vitality Cafe is included in your drink package for the refreshment and deluxe drink package. You can get smoothies, shakes, that kind of stuff in the Vitality Cafe completely free with your drink package. So make sure you use that hack. A lot of people don't know that. Those are my top tips for Oasis of the Seas. Hopefully that helps you improve your cruise vacation on board Oasis of the Seas. Stay tuned because in 2 weeks, we're releasing our top tips about Perfect Day at Coco Key. I can't wait to give you my top tips about Perfect Day at Coco Key. Thank you guys so much for watching this Cruise Travel Life video. Like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, hit that notification bell so you are notified whenever we upload any video, cruise vlogs, top tips videos. So stay tuned for more top tips videos, cruise vlogs, and travel vlogs. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next time.